This is the classic Bialy, fresh from the oven. Notice the delicate golden brown crust?
Welcome. Before we begin, a Bialy is not a bagel. It is never boiled, it has no hole, and the center is a shallow well filled with soft onion and poppy seeds. The dough is soft and lean, the bake is hot and fast, and the result should be chewy inside with a thin, crisp crust and an aromatic, savory center. This is one of the oldest breads in the Jewish baking tradition, and it rewards patience and light hands.
Step 1. In a large bowl, combine 3½ cups bread flour, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 1¼ cups warm water at 110 degrees and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Stir until a shaggy dough forms.
Step 2. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it is smooth, elastic, and springs back when pressed. The dough should feel soft and slightly tacky, but not sticky. If it clings to your hands, dust with a tiny bit of flour, but do not add too much or the Bialys will be tough.
Step 3. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover tightly and let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 1.5 hours until it has doubled in size. The dough should look puffy, airy, and alive when you uncover it.
Step 4. While the dough rises, make the filling. Dice 1 large onion finely. Sauté in 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes until soft and translucent. Do not caramelize. Stir in 1 tablespoon poppy seeds and a pinch of salt. Set aside to cool completely.
Step 5. The onions must be soft and translucent, not brown or caramelized. A Bialy filling is gentle and savory, not sweet. If the onions brown, they overpower the bread. And the filling must be cool before it goes into the wells, or it will melt the dough and destroy the shape.
Step 6. Punch down the risen dough and divide into 8 equal pieces, about 3 ounces each. Round each piece into a smooth ball. Place on a floured surface, cover with a towel, and rest 10 minutes so the gluten relaxes before shaping.
Step 7. Flatten each ball into a 4-inch disc. Press your thumbs firmly into the center to create a shallow well about 2 inches wide, leaving a puffy 1-inch rim around the edge. The well should be thin enough to hold filling, but must not be a hole. If the center puffs back, press it again. This is the defining shape of a Bialy.
Step 8. Place the shaped Bialys on parchment-lined sheet pans. Cover loosely and proof for 20 minutes. Then spoon 1 tablespoon of the cooled onion poppy filling into each well. Preheat the oven to 475 degrees.
Final step. Bake at 475 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until the rim is lightly golden and the bottom is firm when tapped. Do not overbake or the Bialy will dry out and lose its chewy soul. Cool on a wire rack. The finished Bialy should have a puffy golden rim, a shallow onion-filled center, and a soft, chewy interior that tears rather than crumbles.